أنا العبد الذي كسب الذنوب وصدته الأماني أن يتوب.
Dear audience, now for welcoming the guest, I would like to respectfully invite our director, Maulana Mohammad Shakaib Qasmi, to please come up and present welcome address.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hamidan wa musalliyan amma ba'd. All praises are due to Allah alone, the cherisher, the sustainer, the maintainer, the kind, the compassionate, and the merciful. Peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Distinguished President of the program, highly esteemed guests, and respected audience. My heart is swelling with pride to see the VIPs, intellectuals, fellow teachers, and students. For this great boon, I first thank Allah Almighty and seek His assistance to make the program success. Thereafter, I offer present of gratitude to our prominent guests for honoring our humble invitation with acceptance. I bid hearty welcome to them all. Dear dignitaries, tonight we have a valuable collection of VVIPs who are the star of their respective fields. Now let me introduce our guests to you. Before I start introduction, I remember a very beautiful sentence: fragrance of flowers spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. Amidst us, we have such an inspiring personality, Mr. Muhammad Hafiz Imran Yaqub Qureshi Sahab, the Managing Director of Fahim Medex Private Limited, who has battled against all odds and reached the pinnacle of the success. He is highly passionate about uplifting the downtrodden by charity. Undoubtedly, he is a living proof and exemplar of humanity. His selfless service to the nation building as a philanthropist is his identity. We are very fortunate to have him with us this night as a chief guest. We extend a cordial welcome to you, sir. The second guest of ours is Mr. Ahmed Siddiqui Saab, the co-chairman, Global Knowledge Park. He is a man of knowledge and wisdom. I welcome you, sir, from the core of my heart. Our third guest to honor us is Mr. Muhammad Arif Saab, Professor of Civil Engineering Department of Muhammad Haji Sabu Siddiq Engineering College, Mumbai, who had taken over as a judge yesterday in the knockout round of our elocution competition event. He is a man of multiple experiences in teaching, administrative, and vocational field. He possesses inborn skills in how to easily explain any inexplicable matter and takes one period in Markazul Ma'arif Educational and Research Center, Mumbai. Our next guest to be welcomed to the function is Mr. Faiz Salim Siddiqui Saab, the principal, Nari Roshni Public School. He has left an indelible imprint upon the students by his scholastic and administrative skills. I bid heartily welcome to you, sir. Now the most important figure to be welcomed here is our rector, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Shakaib Qasmi Saab. His towering personality is not secret from anyone present here. He is a man of knowledge, administration, modesty, spirituality, sobriety, and kindness. Under his leadership, our tonight's program will go on. I welcome him from the depth of my heart. At the end, I once again welcome our respected audience and venerable guests and say the beauty of our program lies in your availability. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
أنا العبد الذي كسب